Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue my class with the Truman Doctrine. In the Greek, the communists were trying to overthrow the existing monarchy, and the communists received help from Albania, Bulgaria, Yugoslavia. Underline from which regions they got help. So, under this situation, it became impossible for Britain to suppress the communists and appeal to America for help. Thus, the US President appealed to the US Congress for a sanction of $400 million and declared it must be the policy of United States to free people who were resisting attempted subjugation by armed minorities or by outside pressure. So this declaration was subsequently known as the Truman Doctrine. Similarly, Marshall Aid. In Marshall Aid, this plan was an extension of Truman Doctrine. In 1947, America sponsored a scheme of economic and financial help known as European Recovery Program. It was known as the Marshall Plan and it was prepared by Marshall, the American Secretary. So both communist and the non-communist countries of Eastern Europe, including Russia, were invited to accept this plan, but Soviet Russia rejected it. And the offer on the ground that America, under the cover of this plan, wanted to create an economic empire, taking the advantage of the situation, the economic plight, the economic distress with the situation the nations were going on. Through this, taking the advantage of this, Russia was going to create a communist empire. So to avoid it, the Marshall Aid Plan was provided. Similarly, the Molotov Plan. After Second World War, the communist countries of Eastern Europe were joined in a kind of unity under the leadership of USSR. There were 9 states of communist bloc, a part of USSR. There were Albania, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Hungary, Poland, Romania and Yugoslavia. So all these states had to carry on trade with USSR. Their foreign policies and armed forces were controlled from Moscow, and in response to Marshall Plan of 1947 of America, the Russian Foreign Minister Molotov offered the alternative plan between USSR and the satellite states as a aid, as a help to them. Similarly, so these were the help which were provided. The Communist Information or Cominform was formed. This body was set up in USSR at the time of introduction of Molotov Plan. Underline it. All the communist states had to become its member, and the aim of this body was no doubt political, to make sure that all governments should follow the same lines as the government of USSR. The USSR government wanted to control all the Eastern Europe states in different ways of elections. The communists take over the Czechoslovakia in this situation only. The communist takeover of Czechoslovakia in February 1948, which was a great shock to the Western Bloc because it was the only democratic state that remained in Eastern Europe. The communists and the left parties formed a coalition government after the election of 1946, and it was expected that Czechoslovakia, with its highly developed industries, would remain as a bridge. The Berlin blockade was formed in this time only by Russia, brought the Cold War to its climax. At the Yalta and the Potsdam, it was agreed by the Allied powers that Germany and Berlin powers did their best to organize the economic and the political situation. So in this part, Russian development took place in 1948, in which 3 zones merged together and formed a single economically, in contrast to the developed poverty of the Russian zone. The Western powers wanted 4 zones to be reunited again, but Stalin wanted to keep the Russian zone separate, because the reunited 3 zones would be a part of the Western Bloc, thus threatening Russia to be a great extent. So in June 1948, the Western powers introduced a new currency and ended price control in their respective zones in the West Berlin. but Russian authority was not in a position to have two different currencies in the same city. Actually, Berlin city was situated within the East Germany. In this situation only, the NATO was formed, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which was a defense organization against the Russian bloc. The conflict between Western and the Eastern Europe over German problem became very serious. America decided to form a mutual military assistance organization with the Western countries. On April 4th, 1949, America, Britain, France, Italy, Canada, Belgium, Denmark, Luxembourg, Norway, Portugal. These were the nations which joined. Similarly, Thaw was created in Cold War. In this situation, what happened in Thaw? What was Thaw actually in the Cold War? Let us read Thaw. So in this situation, they wanted to improve relations with America. The problem was manufacture of more nuclear weapons by both the countries. As a result, two sides were so nicely balanced that international tension might be relaxed if nuclear war to be avoided. This was the spirit which was expressed through the speeches of Nikita Khrushchev. He even criticized Stalin and said in his famous speech of February 1956 that peaceful coexistence from the West was essential. There were only two ways, either peaceful coexistence or more destructive. So anti-communist feeling in America started decreasing when McCarthy was discredited in 1954. Actually, McCarthy has stirred up anti-communist feeling in America when he began to accuse leading generals of having sympathy for the communists. The American Senate condemned him. It clearly showed that America's policy towards Russia had changed, and the Republican President Eisenhower announced that the American people wanted to be friendly with the Soviet people. Thus, the thaw showed itself in several ways. The signs were shown when Korean War came to an end. In this situation, the Comintern was also abundant, suggesting for what? Suggesting for freedom for the satellite states. The signing of the Austrian State Treaty on May 1955 was another step forward for thaw. After Second World War, Austria was divided into 4 zones of occupation with the capital Vienna in Russian zone. Austria was allowed with her own government because she was viewed not as a defeated enemy but as a state liberated from the Nazis. 3 Western occupying powers organized the recovery of the nation. Austrian government persuaded the Russian government to be more cooperative. Russia had an apprehension of a merger between West Germany and Western more cooperative. Thus, Russia government became cooperative and signed an agreement. As a result, all occupying troops were withdrawn. Thus, she was not to be united with Germany. Her armed forces were restricted and she was to remain neutral in any dispute between Western and the Eastern Bloc. This means that Austria could join neither the NATO nor European Economic Community program. So in this situation, Khrushchev now signed the Warsaw Pact in 1955 with the satellite states, which just after Western Germany. The Cuban Missile Crisis was formed with most tension incident of entire Cold War period, which was Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962. Fidel Castro, the new ruler of Cuba, nationalized all American-owned estates and factories. As a result, the relation with America worsened. America broke off all diplomatic relations with Cuba. Russia then decided to set up nuclear missile launchers in Cuba, which was very close to America coast. Similarly, Soviet Russia became alarmed at the formation of NATO, and Russia strongly protested against the inclusion of West Germany into this organization, and ultimately Russia formed the rival organization with Eastern European countries. At the initiative of Russia, the countries like Poland, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Bulgaria, Albania, and East Germany concluded the Warsaw Pact of May 4, 1955. The pact provided for a joint command of armed forces, and after the formation of NATO and conclusion of Warsaw Pact, it became clear that Russia would not allow Germany to be united in near future. The representatives of the three Western powers, Britain, America, and France, met in Bonn and drafted a federal constitution, a German federal republic known as West Germany, in August 1949. According to the new constitution, election was held in Konrad Adenauer, and thus East Germany was proclaimed as Germany Democratic Republic. Western Germany joined the Western Bloc, while East Germany sided up with the Soviet Bloc. Tension mounted between two of the blocs. So similarly, in this first phase of the Vietnam War took place, Indochina was consisted of three areas, namely Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. This area was the part of the French Empire, and the people of these areas fought against the French and ultimately became the independent. During the Second World War, Japan again occupied Indochina, but after the fall of Japan, Vietnam was proclaimed as the Republic with the League of Vietnamese. Vietnam, though led to the communist, was an alliance of different shades of people. At the end of the war, 1945, Ho Chi Minh declared the whole of Vietnam as independent, but France was not willing to give Vietnam full independence. In this situation, Viet Minh then started fighting against France and thus defeated Dien Bien Phu, and thus Viet Minh became successful due to massive support of the people who got big support to this person, and thus the arms from the communist China constant supply they got. This was the main cause of the communist spread. So France failed to send any troops to this region, and after the effect of the Second World War, realizing the struggle as a part of Cold War and the fight against communism, America also became involved and helped the French with the military and economic aid. So in this situation, we are getting the Cold War with Truman Doctrine, Marshall Aid, Molotov Plan, and we are also getting the causes of the Cold War. These are the main parts of the lesson which you have to read. And then Molotov Plan, Marshall Plan, Truman Doctrine, causes of Cold War, Berlin Blockade, what is Cuban Missile Crisis. These are the vital notes which you will read from the lesson. Thaw, why was Thaw given in the Cold War? So these are the certain parts which you are going to get in the study material and worksheet also. So follow it, read it, and in the next worksheet again you will get the answers. Okay, so thank you.